What is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm actually showing you how you can start making $100 over and over and over again by doing this simple and easy method that I'm going to show you in today's video. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money in 2020. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So if we come over here to this website called Content Samurai, you're going to be able to sign up for a free trial. Now, you don't have to put any credit card information. You don't have to put any address but your name and email address, guys. And that is it. So I recently just got through signing up for you guys in a brand new account right here. So this is an extremely easy and free way you can start to make money right now. I'm going to show you everything in today's video. So it says create a new video. So as soon as you sign up, guys, from that link down in the description of this video, you're just gonna click right here where it says create a new video. So once you get to the page just like this, you're just gonna look for something that has like some sort of text on each side of it, guys. So we can just search for something that looks really cool to the eye. So let me just look for one of these methods or one of these to show you really quick on how you can start to use this method to your advantage. So if we just come over here and let's do something that has like different colored text to it. So like this yellow one and red would look pretty decent. So let's just go with this one right here with this lady that has this colored white text with yellow specific what's a specific industry. So let's just click on use templates. So once we actually get that, guys, we're gonna need to title our video. So this video of this title can be anything. So I'm just gonna do let's do top 5 facts. So 5 facts. Now you can change this to anything, and I'm going to show you can actually find this information on one website that they're going to allow you to use the information word for word. So it says add your script. Now since we need to add our script onto this actual method, guys, onto this video, where I'm going to show you this next website that's going to have information for you, facts, hundreds of facts, 200 facts of different things, guys. So there are multiple ideas that you can use on this method right now. So I went straight to the FAQ on this right here, guys, so I can show you that you're able to use this information word for word, and even on top of that, guys, in a video. So the FAQs are right here. So it says I can use your facts for a video. So if we open that up, it says yes, but again, please make it clear that the facts come from the facts site and give a link credit back to the original article within your video description, guys. And that is all you have to do in order to be able to use the information on this one website right here. So let's go back to the home screen of this actual website. I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video, guys. So as you can see at the very beginning, we can make 2 videos about llamas. So it says 11 likable facts about llamas. So if we just click on that, guys, you can start to see facts. Fact number 1, llamas are actually from the same family as camels. So you can actually have a facts about that and then just have videos inside of this. So if we just copy this right here, we can even copy the where it says number 1. So let's just copy that. Let's go back to our video right here, guys. So we can add our facts right there. So let's just copy and paste that. So we can do like number 1 right here, guys. So it says llamas are actually from the same family as camels. So you can leave it like that and then have another facts about llamas, guys. Just scroll down. You can have some text in here as well. So you can get this facts right here, guys, and just copy this and add it inside of Content Samurai underneath the number 1 and continue moving on with this method and just start to highlight facts like number 2. Llamas were in the US long before humans were. So you can copy this as well and then just keep on adding in all of these facts right here, guys, and just make sure you put this as number 2 and just keep on adding as much facts as you want. I would recommend you guys sticking with 5 to 10 facts per video depending on how long you want the video to be. So the longer the video, the more information you should put inside of each script. You can keep going from fact 3. That being said, llamas are native to South America, and just keep on adding as much information as you would like, because all we have to do in order for this to be copyright free is add the URL link and the actual place where we got the information from inside the description of the video, and that's it, guys. So once we actually get, like, let's say all of this is what I want inside of my video just for the purpose of this actual video that I'm making for you guys, let's just click on create scenes now. So we're gonna get created highlighted scenes about llamas right here. So it says number one, llamas are actually from the same family as camels. You can see it highlighted same family. So you can keep on just adding in different scripts, like llamas and camels both come from the camel family. So you could just keep on adding more and more information about this, guys. So now the next step, once you have enough information on Content Samurai, which again the link's going to be down in the description of this video. So what you can do, guys, if you don't like, let's say, this image of this camel right here, you can just come over here where it says llama or US or me or humans, and you can start to change the background video or image of this actual clip itself to make it whatever you want it to be. So that's how easy it is. So if we just click on llama right here, guys, you can start to get more images of llamas inside of Content Samurai that you can use. So once you actually changed around the clips, once you actually got enough information for it to be a long video, around 5 to 10 minutes long, then now the next step is the voice. Now there's two options you can do with this, guys. You can go to auto voice, which is going to do like a voiceover for you. So as soon as we click on play sample, you can hear her voice, and you can see if you want that one. So if we just click on play and we actually want to use her, we're gonna have to upgrade this in order to actually have the voiceover done for us. But you can easily just come over here and click on record your own track and just copy word for word on the script, and that is it, guys. So, or you can even hire somebody off of Fiverr or Upwork to do the voiceovers for you. So that is a really simple and easy way you can start to make money with this actual software itself. So once we chose one of these, guys, since I'm not going to do a voiceover right now in today's video, which is, I mean, super easy to do, guys, I'm just going to click on no voice track. So we can just click on preview your video. Now it's going to combine all of that information together. And then once it finishes, guys, our video is complete. Now you can see this one's only 13 seconds long, which is not that bad at all for just copying and pasting literally just like 2-3 sentences. So we can actually just play it to see how it looks, to see if we even like it, guys. And you can add your own music. So you can even add your own music right here on the left hand side, guys, to make it look more attractive or something. You can have the music playing really low in the back end while the voiceover is in the front end. So there's different methods you can use within this, guys. You can even add your own music inside of this, even a watermark. So this is all really easy to use for a free trial, a free method, so you can start to make YouTube videos. And the more you stay consistent on YouTube, guys, the more money you can possibly make in the future. You just need to keep staying consistent, and eventually one of the videos could go viral. And once that video goes viral, guys, you're gonna start to see some income coming in from a free method, guys. So this is really simple and easy to use. All you have to do once you're finished and you like the actual video that you have created, just click on looks good and continue. And then after that, guys, it's gonna generate the video in 720p, guys. So it's not in 420, it's not in 260, I believe that's like the lowest one. This is in 720, which is not that bad at all. So as you can see, the progress is already at 40% within a couple of seconds, just waiting on it. So it says preparing audio, generating scenes, encoding video, saving to the cloud. And then once it's all the way finished, guys, you can easily just download the video, go over to YouTube, and start to upload this video on YouTube over and over again, guys, and just busting out videos left and right and starting to make money with this. So we only did let's say we only did 5 facts about llamas. Now we can make another video, a part 2 video of the next 5 facts or 6 facts, since there's 11 total on this one article. And then we can make another videos about 100 interesting space facts that will blow your mind. So you can come over here and start making videos about space. You can come over here and start making videos about history. You can start making videos about fun facts that actually make your life better. So there's different hundreds and hundreds of videos that you can make right now within this one website, even about celebrities. So look at that, 30 underrated facts about Post Malone, 6 facts that prove they weren't dead the whole time on Lost. So you can see facts about different things right now, guys, and there are hundreds of videos that could be created right away within this one website and then within this one software that I'm going to leave the link down in the description so you can get started right now. Now if you want to upgrade this, guys, we just got to come over here and click on upgrade it, which is an extremely reasonable price for what you can make later on in the future if you stay consistent on this method. So as you can see guys, once it's already finished combining everything together, all we gotta do is just download your video and it's gonna download right away. So as soon as we finish the video guys, you will see some watermarks on the video itself. So if you want to actually take off the watermarks, you're gonna need to upgrade to at least $35 a month, but which is not that bad guys. In order to get started, I would recommend you guys just uploading it with the watermarks on the actual video itself, so you can just start to get some traction. And it doesn't matter, people like to see videos that have a really interesting information about certain objects, certain animals, certain celebrities. But once you start to get some money from YouTube, or once you are ready to start to invest and start to take off the watermarks from the videos itself, just pay the $35 a month, and this is going to end within a couple of days. So you can see 13 days and 23 hours. So just try this method out for free, get the trials, get that watermark on that video just for now guys. And once you are ready to start to take action and go tunnel vision on this method, paying the $35 a month is not that much money at all, to be honest, for other services that charge you way more than that. So this is a really awesome price, because look, it says here's what you get. So you're gonna get $25 for life, so you're gonna save $144 a year. Now this right here is the best part of this actual purchase. For only $35 a month, you're gonna get Storyblocks video clip libraries. Now this is a really expensive product guys that they're giving you for an extremely cheap price. Even the Storyblocks music tracks is extremely cheap price for only $35 guys. So I highly recommend you getting started buying this $35 a month. And again, this link's gonna be down in the description, so you guys can get started right now and start to make videos. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.